guys, welcome to Science Time. Today we will be learning how to make edible Play-doh. That's right, edible Play-doh. Here we go. You're going to need all-purpose flour, vegetable oil, salt, cream of tartar, and unsweetened Kool-Aid mix. You will also need 2 cups of water. Here we go. We're going to start off with 2.5 cups of flour. You're going to want to use a whisk for this first half of the mixing portion. You're going to pour in half a cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar, and 2 packets of unsweetened Kool-Aid, each 0.13 ounces. Once those both are in, you're going to want to use the whisk and try to dissolve any color that's in there. You're going to want to mix until you don't see any color left. Also, don't forget to put your water to boil. That's 2 cups of water. Once that's all mixed, you're going to want to put that whisk to the side, and you're going to grab your 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and go ahead and sprinkle that in. You're going to want to use some sort of spoon to mix. I suggest using a bigger spoon or ladle of some kind. Mix the vegetable oil in until you don't see it anymore. Once that water is completely boiling, you're going to want to pour it in very carefully. Make sure not to burn yourself or anyone around you. You're going to want to mix this mixture until it is harder, sort of like the Play-doh substance we want. It's going to start looking like this, but please don't stop yet. You're going to want to mix until all of that flour is completely gone. Also, don't mix with your hands. It's still going to be very, very hot from the boiling water. Once your mixture looks like this, it's time to set it aside for a couple minutes. After about 10 minutes, your mixture should be cool enough to knead. You're going to want to grab some all-purpose flour and prep a hard surface. Make sure that you cover the whole surface with flour and you spread it all around to make sure that the Play-doh doesn't get stuck. Grab your mixture, make sure that it is about room temperature, and start kneading it by pushing and folding over and over again. Once you're done, your mixture should look like this, and then you're ready to play. I do recommend, though, putting it in the fridge for about an hour before completely playing because it's still going to be warm enough to get stuck to your hand. Alright guys, and there you have it. This is homemade, non-toxic Play-doh for all the kids to enjoy. It is also edible, but I do not recommend it.